Who are you?
DXT Dudley. Dad? I'm DXT Hockey.
Hi, I'm Kevin. I'm in charge.
I'm Peter, ready to start a fire.
We all vacation, okay, family.
We on vacation. Don't get it with me. We on vacation.
Okay,
Vacation.
family.
Family.
What are you? I'm Ye. This is Banks. What's your name? Oh, I'm Kimmy.
Enjoyed to hang out with you guys. How you like that?
What's your name?
Say your name.
Say. Yo, my name's Snaggles because I got a snaggle.
Yo, what's up? It's your boy Tyrone Wesley.
My name is Debbie.
Hi.
My name is Nan. This is my dog, Leo.
Not mom. I'm so exciting and happy.
Just get, yeah, just.
Fine, I'll be the one sober responsible person.
You're not. You're gonna die. When you have a family more than like 20 people, we move really slow.
Parkour.
So many variations. Here's this gift, you can see the future. And I took that gift and I go, no! Where you at? Yeah.
Too white.
Look at that.
That'd be really cool if we make a movie again.